Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung Galaxy A57. First, check your phone's charging capacity and your charger's wattage. Make sure your charger and cable support the correct speed, since charging will always match the lowest rated component. Next, confirm if fast charging is active. Plug in your charger, go to Settings, then Battery, and check if it shows something like Super Fast Charger Connected. If not, try using a different charger or cable, preferably a more powerful or original one, to see if that fixes the issue. You should also clean the USB-C port using a soft, non-metallic tool to remove any dust, and make sure fast charging is enabled in the charging settings. Another step is to update your software. Go to Settings, open Software Update, and check for updates, then install any available version to fix possible bugs. If the issue still continues, consider visiting a certified repair center to diagnose or fix any hardware problems.